Finally, Rhea Chakravarti has come out in public and is speaking about what she says is her side of the story. But even in that, in what you've heard so far, 8 contradictions have emerged. Let's take you through each one of them. The contradictions is when Rhea says, in fact, let's bring up those graphics, and Rhea says that SSR, that is Sushant Singh Rajput, took modafinil, presumably consuming it before he took a flight, that he suffered from claustrophobia. However, soon after, Sushant's ex-girlfriend Ankita Lokhande put out a video of him in a Boeing flight simulator, saying that this is not somebody who looked like he had a fear of flying. Remember, Sushant had also put out 150 life goals, among which was buying a Boeing and getting a pilot's license. Rhea also said that he used to get anxiety attacks and that he took prescription medicine. However, there were no answers forthcoming on several conversations that she has had with, among others, her talent manager, Samuel Miranda, talking about getting 2 bags of weed, or even talking about adding 4 drops of something to Sushant's tea, coffee, or water. She also said, I was not living off Sushant's money and we lived like a couple. However, there are some disturbing chats that have emerged where she asks for the details of the mutual funds and the FDs, or the fixed deposits. Will Rhea Chakravarti now answer whether she was handling Sushant's money, and if yes, was it taken away? Was some of Sushant's money taken away, as has been claimed by his family?
रिया मेरे बेटे सुशांत को लंबे समय से जहर पिलाया करती थी। वो इसकी हत्यारी है। जांच एजेंसी को चाहिए कि रिया को और उसके सहयोगी को अविलंब गिरफ्तार करें और उसे सजा दिलाएं। रिया मेरे बेटे सुशांत को लंबे समय से जहर पिलाया करती थी। वो इसकी हत्यारी है। जांच एजेंसी को चाहिए कि रिया को और उसके सहयोगी को अविलंब गिरफ्तार करें और उसे सजा दिलाएं।
All right, joining us on the debate, we now have Nikhil Anand, spokesperson of the BJP, and Vineet Dhanda, advocate in the Supreme Court. I want to ask you first, Vineet Dhanda, because the charges that have been made by Sushant's father today are very, very serious, because he seems to suggest that this is not just a case for abetment of murder, abetment to murder, but actual murder.
Beginning February onwards, the family had an anticipation that some untoward incident is about to happen to Sushant. They informed the then Deputy Commissioner of Police. Now they are openly saying, and many things, very glaring things have come out which are disturbing, and it is important for CBI to arrest Rhea Chakravarti at present, because abetment to suicide is a non-bailable offence. Now, if they have certain concrete evidence, they should immediately arrest all these people and start a thorough investigation into the matter. And when the drug angle has come apart and many other angles are being informed on the public platform, it is the duty of all these agencies.
अच्छा, अपना नाम बता दो। मेरा नाम और एक्सिस बैंक के कर्मचारी। इंद्रजीत से जो रिया के फादर पूछताछ हो रही है, क्या उस केस के लिए बुलाया गया था? क्या हो रहा है? हमने देखो नहीं वेटिंग मशीन क्या गोल्ड नहीं पता। क्या होता है? गोल्ड था क्या? गोल्ड था क्या था? कितना किलो सोना था? सॉरी
All right. In fact, there was an official from a bank speaking right now. Why this is important is because today, for close to 6 to 9 hours, the Enforcement Directorate and the CBI have been questioning close relatives of Rhea Chakravarti. Her father, Indrajit, in fact, was taken to the bank and their lockers were scrutinized. Sources have told Times Now that the lockers were opened and the contents are under scrutiny. At the same time, Shouvik Chakravarti, her brother, was questioned by the CBI. In addition to this, Siddharth Pithani, Rajat Mewati, Keshav Bachner and Neeraj Singh, all aides of Sushant. 3 of them, in fact, were the first ones to see his body soon after he was found dead. All of them were questioned by the CBI in Mumbai today. But go on, finish your point, Vineet Dhanda.
And one very important thing which I wanted to say, with the hard work of your channel and many other people have come in front, and you have carried forward the important part of giving information to requisite agencies. Now it is their duty to bring it all on the record and make a very watertight case so that Riya Chakravarti and her accomplices cannot run away here or there. Because the hard work done by Times Now and other people.
Okay, so you're saying an arrest is needed, Rizwan Siddiqui, an arrest is needed, especially in fact since you have a lot of chats which are very incriminating. Leave everything else aside. Just talk about the chats. Rizwan Siddiqui.
Yeah. See, as far as the investigation so far is concerned, it depends on what kind of investigation, the evidence that has been revealed so far. If the investigation suggests that there is a role of Riya Chakravarti and that she is involved, then of course it calls for arrest. And only after she is interrogated properly, then she'll be able to answer those questions. Because there are certain times that when you have a loose investigation, meaning the investigation where you're just let go, to call the next day, and then the witnesses then get prepared, or the people who are involved in that particular case, they get prepared and they know what kind of questions are going to be coming next on the next day. So these kind of liberties should not be given. If there is a strong role and it suggests that yes, there is a conspiracy, connivance, or an active role, direct or indirect.
Chetan Singh, it's mystifying. It's mystifying that even now there is no action. That seemed inevitable going by the contents of some chats that Ms. Chakravarti had.
Padma, we need to understand that categorically that the highest court has taken this matter into its consideration. Having said this, they have handed over this entire case to CBI. Now the esteemed agency of our country is investigating it. Another agency, ED, is also coming up with some kind of revelation. Now, let me tell you categorically, Times Now or any news channel, if they are coming up with any kind of a revelation, they may not want to help at this given point of time. Let the investigation agencies work in their appropriate manner the way they are working it. At this given point of time, I do not foresee that there should be any kind of a judgment which should be passed by any channel, any anchor. Let the investigation take its own course. On the top of it, if you're going to talk about Riya Chakravarti, you see, ED initially also came up with some kind of a investigation. They have gone through all the bank statements, their emails, their all electronic evidences. They have gone through it, and at that given point of time, they have not found any. But now we have seen what Swamiji has come up. He has came up with some kind of a drug angle.
A
lot of revelations are coming up.
ED does have in its possession. ED does have in its possession all of those, and now so does the Narcotics Control Bureau have in its possession conversations where there is an active. In fact, how do we organize drugs? That is being discussed. I mean, that's as explicit as one can get. But do not prejudge, Nikhil Anand. Don't pass a judgment.
Bollywood and like underworld and drugs are. It seems like they are the two sides of the same coin. At this given point of time,
sir, that still doesn't make it legal. I mean, you might be very forgiving, but until the time that it is legalized, it remains illegal. That's just a fact.
For Sushant, but some of the channels are playing.
Yes, Nikhil Anand.
Yeah. Thanks to Times Now that you are standing by the demand of justice for Sushant. But it's a tragedy that many of the channels are parallelly trying to play a victim card through Riya Chakravarti and trying to dilute the fact and play a different card on it. And I think that CBI is going on right track, investigating the whole scene, scenario and everything. But with this, the investigation of Mumbai police is simply exposed that they were trying to not only tamper with the evidence but trying to dilute the fact, and the way everything is coming up, being
Mr. Anand,
uncovered
to be fair,
through this drug angle,
everyone
through
deserves
this,
to have their say. If she wants to put forward her side of the story, why not? While there are contradictions that you can point out, but she does have the right to put forward her side of the story as well. Raj Lakshmi Joshi.
Yeah, definitely Riya can put across her side of the story as well. But then it is very astonishing how
some of the
executive editor of the channel who felt that the actor is not such a big actor that so much attention should be given. today he has such a long interview of of the prime accused, and then they play it multiple times, and they don't have a live version of it also. I mean, that is shocking. And now a lot of things are coming out. There are a lot of murky details in this. Like right now, what we are seeing is something connected with drugs. But then this is going to lead to a whole lot of other things also. Like now you have a couple of film producers coming into the picture. The thing is that there is a huge nexus with that Dubai link that Dr. Swami was talking about, which is a very serious issue here. So very soon we will have NIA also in the picture here, because there are these there are some event managers, some event producers who have been banned recently. Our film artists have been banned from participating in their events because they are not just playing an anti-Hindu propaganda outside India. They are doing anti-India activities. They're doing separatist activities.
Who?
They're ISI activities and also into Khalistan movement.
I'm sorry.
I can
who are these people?
There are some people like there is Mr. Rehan Siddiqui, and there is Darshan Mehta, and one more Mr. Kaushan. So these people, they have been banned. Our artists have been. This has come out in July 2020. This letter from the Indian government saying that our film artists are not permitted to be working with their events because these are the people who fund anti-India activities.
Okay, so you're saying this goes beyond even the relationship between two people. You think this has got a deeper nexus, Chetan Singh?
Yes.
Rajalakshmi Joshi sees a deeper nexus there.
Yes. What I'm trying to come to is that
See,
just
Padmaja.
finish Padmaja. Padmaja, just let me finish.
Okay.
Padmaja, here we need to understand here one aspect. The aspect is that the facts are something which is going to play a very vital role out here. And the Supreme Court and the agencies, they are the one who are working on the facts, and they do not work on any stories, any revelation which is coming up, or any kind of hearsay which we are seeing it. On the top of it, what we have seen at this given point of time, specifically at this given point of time, lot of sentiments are playing a vital role. That's the reason even the apex court has also said that. And having said this, that this matter has been handed over to the CBI. On the top of it, when you're going to talk about the Mumbai police is compared with the Scotland police. However, they're operating it in a very significant manner with the agency.
Knows exactly who they have to question. And that is why the Mumbai police have questioned Mahesh Bhatt. They have questioned Mr. Aditya Chopra. They have questioned Mr. Sanjay Bhansali also.
Look, absolutely. They have taken the statement under the provision of the law. On the top of it, on the top of it, 56 people were interrogated and their statements were also recorded. Having said this, on the top of it, they have handed over the cases like Sheenapura. Look at the high-profile cases they have handled it.
Okay, the thing is that in this particular case, I think the others also want to come in, but I'll let you have your say. Nikhil Anand, Mr. Siddiqui, all of you, just give me a second because I need to take a quick break right now. We'll be back in a couple of minutes.
Co-powered by Thyrocare, the trust, the truth.
In association with Star Health Insurance, the health insurance specialist.
In association with GD Goenka University, celebrating 25 years of excellence in education.
In association with MX Player, watch Ashram stream free from 28th August on MX Player.
You can touch it. ये वायरस से बिल्कुल सेफ है।
मतलब?
सारा फर्नीचर सिर्फ सेंचुरी लैमिनेट्स और प्लाईवुड से बना है। इन दोनों में है वायरोकिल टेक्नोलॉजी, जिसके एक्टिवेटेड नैनो पार्टिकल्स वायरस को मार गिराते हैं। सेंचुरी लैमिनेट्स और सेंचुरी प्लाई, रहो बेफिक्र।
अरे आप अभी तक यहीं हैं? जल्दी homeloans.sbi पे जाइए और खुद के घर का इंतजाम कीजिए।
SBI होम लोन्स, हो सकता है।
बिना अखबार के चाय सुबह की अधूरी लगती है। न खस्ता सी खबर कोई डबो के चाय में पी लें, चबाने को नया कानून कोई, नया आदेश नेता का। बिना अखबार यारो न दिन चढ़ता है पूरा, न पूरी आंख खुलती है। अजी डिग्री कहाँ रखी है किसको याद रहता है, जहां तस्वीर छपी थी मगर अखबार रखा है। बिना अखबार दिन शुरू नहीं होता, तबीयत थोड़ी कुछ उदास रहती है। बिना अखबार दिन भर प्यास रहती है।
A balanced opinion is a rare thing because a balanced opinion is often held hostage to agendas. To cut through the clamour, I go to where the story, a detailed, balanced, truth. Watch News Hour Agenda with me, Padmaja Joshi, weeknights at 10.
The Supreme Court has told the Mumbai police that it need not continue any parallel investigation, that the sole investigation agency will be the CBI. So the question now arises, is a parallel probe being ordered to subvert the CBI? At least 6 lapses which are going to be investigated. The first lap, a tape of Riya Chakravarti that Times Now has been able to access, emerging from the mortuary where Sushant Singh Rajput's body lay. Building compound, there have been lapses. In the bedroom, there have been massive lapses. Who opened the doors, metaphorically, for Riya Chakravarti to get into a restricted area?
Presented by Kent RO, जो देता है सबसे शुद्ध पानी।
Co-powered by Star Health Insurance, the health insurance specialist. SMS STAR to 56677.
Co-powered by Century Laminates, kills 99.99% viruses. Co-powered by Reva University, a leading multidisciplinary university.
What is your connection with people who have connections with terrorism?
Life is not so simple. There are many layers to life.
You're not denying that you have links with them?
Not at all.
You're from the same industry. What is it that you feel about Riya?
She asks tough questions like no other journalist because she understands India's power corridors like no other journalist.
Are you a politician? Are you part of the government? How are you doing this image management or strategy management?
I'm not. She takes on the masters of Indian politics like no one else can because she speaks for you the way no one else can.
दिल्ली में राइट्स भी हुए, लोगों का ये कहना है कि निष्पक्ष जांच शायद नहीं हो रही।
होनी चाहिए निष्पक्ष जांच।
During raids in your house, there was 10 crores cash that was found. That is also politically planted. बहुत लोगों का ये आरोप है कि जो पहला लॉकडाउन है वो 4 दिन देर से अनाउंस हुआ था ताकि आपको समय मिल जाए सरकार गिराने का।
No holds barred interviews across the political spectrum. Because your voice must be heard, your questions answered. Frankly Speaking with Navika Kumar.
Co-powered by Thyrocare, the trust, the truth.
Welcome back. Riya Chakravarti has finally put out her side of the story, but there are certain glaring inconsistencies that have emerged from there as well. Will all of them be asked and answered? Questions also being raised about whether action against her is imminent, especially by the Narcotics Control Bureau, given the nature of conversation that she has had in the past with her multiple friends and associates. Rizwan Siddiqui, you wanted to respond to Chetan Singh.
what happens is that see, there is something called trial by media. I will not say that this is trial by media. What media is doing here is they're only trying to expose certain things, certain evidences they're bringing on record, so that the investigative agencies do not overlook this and the investigation is not blotched. And this is a good thing the media is doing. And I don't think, in any manner whatsoever, Times Now is trying to suggest that, somebody is guilty or somebody is not guilty. The only thing is that the evidences which are brought on record so far and which the investigative agencies have taken on record or may not have taken on record, there may have been some, contradictions. So this is the kind of, because the media is the fourth pillar of democracy and media is required to do all these things to bring out the truth. Justice has to prevail. The truth has to come out. And this is exactly what Times Now is doing. And I support what Times Now is doing as a lawyer, as a responsible lawyer. I am supporting this. I don't think this is a trial by media. But anyways, coming back to the case now, what I personally feel, being a part of the Hindi film industry for more than 21 years and having dealt with a lot of celebrities, I know for a fact that drug angle is not very uncommon here. Why only the film industry or the event industry? It is these things are prevalent in most of these, even for example the fashion industry. So these kind of drug angle is not new for celebrities or, as a matter of fact, except for sports person who have to go for the periodic test for their, consumption of any kind of drugs or alcohol. Other kind of businesses or professions do not require this. So this is quite prevalent. And I don't think because of this there is any angle.
Routine thing, if the person is doing it voluntarily, if somebody else is administering him drugs, then it is something that has to absolutely be looked into as to why that was being done and whether that person was being manipulated, and obviously there was some criminal intent behind it. So, this is not just a case of a person just taking drugs just for the fun of it. This is about somebody else purposely, intentionally doing it to manipulate either for some criminal intent or for money, for some thing like maybe actually there is an angle of money laundering also here. And another thing that has to be taken into account is the factor about the Disha Salian suicide also, which again, there were some details there which probably, Sushant Singh knew about, and which was why, everything is being like it is.
Ma'am, actually, respectfully, nothing in the postmortem has actually shown that there was any connection, and a lot of those things has been dismissed as rumors. So I don't think we should get that case in until the time some agency talks about a linkage. No agency has actually been able to say anything about a linkage between the two. So let's not get into the realm of the speculation, especially about that case.
Somebody else giving it to him.
Yeah, sure, of course. So the chats do show that there was perhaps an administering of certain substances. What were those substances? Why were they being administered? Did Sushant know about it? While all of that is perfectly legitimate, as far as Disha is concerned, a lot of those allegations have been called out as well. Yes, Nikhil Anand.
Yeah, I think CBI is on a right track and investigating in a proper manner, because many things are coming up. But with this, the way Mumbai police has handled this case, that is being exposed, and also that Ria is not alone. There are people belonging to Bollywood's Baby Baba and Mafia Brigade, as well as the drug mafias and even underworld people. They are behind Ria, and even Ria, I have heard that she is being treated, given a lesson how to deal with the CBI, a psychological support is being provided to her. So I think Ria is, even there are PR people, even media management is being done just to improve her image and give a different turn to the whole investigation. So I think it is a tough case for CBI even, and the best officers of CBI has to work hard.
Well, that is the reason why the Supreme Court ultimately got in. Well, the Supreme Court decided the CBI is best placed to investigate this case. The facts are out there, and more specifically, the facts in black and white. Not to indulge in speculation, but the facts in black and white about conversations that were had, things that were procured, things that were asked for. All of that must be asked of Riya and her family, and also answers must be given. Thanks very much, all gentlemen. Rajalakshmi Joshi for joining me. Quick break.